Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our first travel vlog to Kashmir. So we are quite new in travel vlogging, so just bear with us. We'll share our journey throughout this vlog inshallah. So stay tuned.
Kita dekat Pahalgam, mini Switzerland. Okay. Actually better than Switzerland.
We just landed in New Delhi, India, Indira Gandhi International Airport. I think it's around 4 p.m. We've flown a 5.5-hour flight from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And here we are, testing out our new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Yeah. So we are walking towards Terminal. Oh my god, there's a dog! We are walking towards Terminal 2, and you should see this. So these are the taxis. They have taxis and we can't see any becha, right? Becha, where's becha? Auto. So this is kind of 10 minutes walk from Terminal... Where were we? Terminal 3 just now. We are going to the airport for another flight to Srinagar from New Delhi. They want for cars. So we are here. Terminal 2 departure. Alhamdulillah, we've reached Srinagar last night around 9 p.m.
Good morning.
And it's day 2.
Morning.
We've checked into this hotel and are going to have our South Indian breakfast.
Ini breakfast kita orang kat sini. Uttapam dia, comel dia macam pancake. Ini macam biasalah.
Morning. How are you?
Selamat pagi. Baik. Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Kau nak pergi mana?
Hari ini pergi Pahalgam.
Oh, Pahalgam. Terima kasih.
What are you eating?
I don't know how to eat.
I
Just drink hot chocolate.
hot chocolate. You got hot chocolate?
Yeah. Hot chocolate. I eat cereals.
And we got ui. Yeah, I'm right. This is Dahlia and this is Upama chai.
Hello, selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum. Okey, ni first day kita orang dekat Srinagar, Kashmir. Maafkan bibi yang ni pecah-pecah, cuaca sejuk sangat. Ni hotel kita. Ni 3 to 4 star je ya. So setiap orang dah layer up 5 layer. Okay. So nak OOTD tu tak adanya lah sebab dah 5 layer kat dalam. Still so cool. Dah 5 layer still so cool. Okay. Okay, so tengah tunggu van nak datang ambil kita. Ifah Imran dah tak sabar tunggu. So kita bawa 4 lagi dia dah kurangkan sebab nanti nak balik hotel ni balik. 4 lagi ni untuk duduk kat hotel tempat lain.
Auto loading.
Auto.
Hello.
0 degree.
Okay, ni hotel cantik. Oh, malam dia lagi cantik. Tiba lampu-lampu. Macam satu bangunan je lah. Okay, so ni first day. Niki tak reti sangat nak ambil video tu. Nantikan video seterusnya.
How many hours? 6 hours?
Hello.
Hours. 2 hours, yeah.
So long.
My daughter said looks like England. This place. My daughter. We stayed in England 1 year.
So she thought it's similar.
Okay.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
This is our driver, Mr. Jimmy. We are now on the way to
Yes, go.
Pahalgam from Srinagar. But here a lot of dogs. Who keep the dogs?
Government.
Government.
Car MC4.
Semua kedai jual saffron. Kesar is another name for saffron. Banyak gila kita. Tu. Tu Sachin Tendulkar lah.
Masuk dah.
Ni belakang ni back factory. Ya, dalam ni. Runway for emergency flight landing.
You are from Malaysia, sir?
Yes, Malaysia. We are now at apple farm, but there's no apple now because it's winter.
Have a seat, beta, please.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Good or no?
Good.
Actually, in this time, there is no season, sir. Season is off in this time, and after 21st March the season remains same, dry.
After March.
21st March
Oh.
till 21st March. After 21st March, first of all you can see the buds. These are the buds. These are the flowers of apples. And they grow up after 21st March.
Okay.
And after that you can see the tiny apples from the April 15th. And after that the growth has been started, and gradually they grow up after August ending. September, October is the main season of harvesting here. And after November, the winter season come here. That's
Okay.
right. This is the recycling process.
Oh. Why do you want this apple spray?
I know, I like it.
How about we come back?
paint it.
Come back in September and take.
No.
Oh, this one.
Ma. What's that plastic? Yeah, that plastic. Yeah. What's that plastic? This one. No! Your answer? No, your answer? Fish. Ooh!
Ah, we're almost there. Maybe it looks like Switzerland. Yet.
Can open looks like beach. Pahalgam. Pahalgam looks so nice. Oh, horse! Look, horse! You see, too?
Yeah.
That horse is now. Oh, here we are.
Sekian nanti.
Tingkat ke cia? Ha? Kaja.
Malaysia.
Malaysia na cia?
Night.
Night. Ah.
Hermitage.
Ha?
Hermitage.
Hermitage. Kita. Kita cia. Malaysia. Cia. Cia. Nere oldu cia?
Yung chi bird pass laku dah. ठीक है ना? ये मैं सोचना ये मैं just travel with. Tapi मैं सोचना पास चुका je. Dan semua supaya escort skill karo. Dan tu yang mana main itu chi panda sih.
I want to take photo.
Assalamualaikum. So now we are at Pahalgam. This is what we'll call the Indian Switzerland. So you can see there's a river flowing, and the mountains are behind us. There, the snowy mountains.
Imran. Cold. It's cold.
No.
super cold.
Super cool.
I want to go.
Come, let's go there.
I want to go on the horse already.
Okay, so we are ready. We are fully booted and geared. Now we are going to uphill to where the horse are. Ifa sabar. Ifa. Local car. Masuk dalam. So that's it for our first vlog. We'll take you on our horse ride in Pahalgam for our next episode. Stay tuned. Assalamualaikum.